What is cybersecurity and how does it work? From social media to online shopping, the internet powers our daily lives. But have you ever wondered, is your personal information truly safe out there? With cyber threats growing every day, understanding cybersecurity, our digital guardian, is more important than ever. Let's dive in and make sense of this invisible shield. At its core, cybersecurity protects digital systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, theft, or damage. Imagine it as a virtual security guard that blocks hackers, viruses, and malware from causing chaos. It safeguards sensitive information like your passwords, bank details, and personal files, keeping them out of the wrong hands. But cybersecurity isn't just for tech experts. It plays a role in everyone's life, from individuals posting on social media to businesses protecting customer data. It's the reason we can send emails, shop online, or even work remotely without constant fear of a cyber attack. Cybercriminals are always on the hunt for vulnerabilities. Through phishing scams, they might trick you into sharing personal details with fake emails or websites. Malware attacks can sneak onto your devices, stealing sensitive info or holding your files ransom. And then there are direct hacks like cracking weak passwords. These attacks don't just happen to giant companies. They can happen to anyone. Cybercriminals are clever and persistent, but understanding their tactics is the first step towards staying protected. To stay ahead of these threats, cybersecurity uses a combination of tools, strategies, and skills. Firewalls act as barriers, blocking suspicious access to your network. Encryption scrambles your data, making it unreadable to anyone without the key. Antivirus software scans and removes malicious files from your devices. On a larger scale, companies rely on advanced systems like intrusion detection to spot and stop hackers in real time. Regular updates and patches fix vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Cybersecurity is like a team of specialized guards, each with a critical role. Think cyber attacks are rare? Think again. High-profile breaches at companies like Facebook or even government agencies show how even the most secure systems are constantly targeted. For individuals, the risk is equally real. Imagine the stress of stolen credit cards or leaked personal photos. These stories remind us that cybersecurity isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. By sharing these examples, we hope to show how protecting your digital life impacts everything from online convenience to personal safety. Want to boost your cybersecurity game? Start small. Use strong passwords. Avoid 123456 or password, and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Keep your software and apps updated. Those updates often fix critical security flaws. Avoid clicking on unknown links or downloading attachments from suspicious emails. You can also use tools like virtual private networks, VPNs, to secure your internet connection, especially on public Wi-Fi networks. By practicing these habits, you strengthen your online defenses against potential threats. Cybersecurity isn't standing still. With artificial intelligence, experts now detect and respond to threats faster than ever. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing data security by creating tamper-proof systems. As new technologies emerge, so do new risks. But the future of cybersecurity is all about adapting and staying one step ahead. For individuals and organizations alike, investing in cybersecurity will remain crucial. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying informed about the latest tools and threats is key to staying safe in the future. The digital world offers incredible opportunities, but only when we navigate it securely. Start today by strengthening your passwords, learning to spot phishing attempts, and keeping your devices updated. Share what you've learned with friends and family because protecting the internet is a team effort. Let's stay connected, informed, and secure together. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe for deeper dives into topics that simplify technology and empower your digital life. Your online safety starts now.